Are you abroad and want to open a Risevest account from Diaspora? Yes, you can do that. All you need to do is make sure you have the required documents. First, you need a valid identification, probably an international passport, a national identity number, or a driver's license. You need your bank verification number, your BVN. You need to have an active foreign phone number or email address, and also a proof of address if requested during your ITAR KYC. Also, probably a utility bill or a bank statement showing your abroad address. So the first thing to do is to download and launch the app. You create your account, you verify your identity. You have to set up a risk and investment profile. So after you have done that, then you are good to go. So the next to do is to fund your wallet from abroad. How do you do that? On your home page, just below the navigation bar, you will see wallet. So tap into the wallet and it will take you to the screen. So you're going to fund your wallet with your preferred funding method that suits your location. So you can use the USD bank transfer, you can use the wire, or you can fund your USD wallet through any international card options available in the app. You get that? So the next thing to do, if you cannot fund your wallet through your USD bank transfer, you can use your domiciliary account. So you transfer USD dollar directly from your Nigerian domiciliary account using the displayed wire bank details that shows on your screen when you want to make your transfer. And also you can also use the Nigerian wallets or Nigerian bank transfer. So if you hold funds in Nigerian bank account, transfer naira directly to your generated virtual account number to fund your naira account, or convert instantly to USD within the app. So with all this, I think you are good to go to create your Risevest account from Diaspora. I hope I have been helpful with this. You can also like this video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.